Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply token on Draftkings. Really easy and simple. So first things first, you want to log in to your Draftkings account. Just add a bet to your bet slip. And then under the apply reward option, what you want to do, so just select a bet, for example right here, whatever bet you want. And then under apply reward, you want to go ahead and toggle this on, enable bonus bet, and you can go ahead and click on a place bonus bet right here, and you will see the details on your receipt. Just go ahead and press done. And if you go to my bets, you will be able to see your wager and the bonus that has been applied. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.